Good morning, dear colleagues. My name is Daria Sharkachova, and I would like to tell you about the very crucial research that was published in journal Biological Psychology. It is called Fear Acquisition and Liking of Out-Group and In-Group Members, Learning Bias or Attention. The article was published by Stefan Koenig and Peter Norath from the Philipps University in Germany. Stefan Koenig and Peter Norath have equally contributed to the manuscript and shared first authorship. The key words of this article are intergroup bias, preparedness, fear conditioning, attention, skin conductance response, pupil response, and evaluative learning. You can see them on the board. Now we come to the sources. The authors utilized statistics, reports from other researchers, archival data, more early studies on this topic. The purpose of this article is to critically evaluate the hypothesis of an outgroup fear learning bias, where outgroup members are more readily associated with negative attributes because greater differential responding to outgroup phases is also predicted by an attentional bias for the in-group. Now we come to the stages. The experiment consisted of 3 stages. Number 1 is the learning of group membership. Number 2 is the aversive conditioning phase. And number 3 is the post-conditioning assessment of explicit and implicit measures of liking. The researchers measured several criteria. They were pupil dilation, skill conductance response, explicit liking, and implicit liking. The present research was aimed to shed light on the mechanism of outgroup fear learning. The researchers found out that the trained outgroup phases elicited stronger differential responses compared to the in-group. This pattern was true for pupil dilation and skin conductance response during classical conditioning. In contrast to the previous studies mentioned above, the authors argue that such differential responding does not provide ample evidence for the hypothesis that outgroup phases are more readily associated with fear. In my opinion, this was a very in-depth research project. All in all, it was well written and well organized. It was a very significant contribution to the field of research.